Hello, elementary teachers. I have gotten a few emails in regards to library and lit lab for next week, and I apologize that I wasn't at any of your staff meetings or anything to just touch base with everybody. So I just thought it'd be maybe easiest for me to make this video instead of trying to type everything out and hope that things still make sense. So we will be starting our library and lit lab schedule on Monday. This is just what I've put together. I might go ahead and share it with you guys just so you can double check that I have your days right for library or lit lab and haven't got anything confused with second step. But basically, for Monday, we will see everybody for one or the other, except for third grade. And so this is just a calendar that Rhonda and I have. Then I shared this out earlier today on Friday, which is the lesson schedule. And so basically, you have your day one and day two, which is just day one is whoever comes first to lit lab, and day two is the second. So you're seeing that same activity repeated. So for pretty much all K through 5 classes, these first few weeks, you're just having that one lit lab time and activity, and that other second day, like you had last year, is just to be used for your in your classroom however you see fit, whether it's using some technology or IXL or putting in science, social studies, some of those things you're more crunched for time. So that's kind of how the setup of this is. Then for grades 3 through 5, on your off day, so your second scheduled lit lab day, that you are just staying in your classroom, that is when you will be doing keyboarding. And each grade, it just kind of depends, but on the schedule you'll see when would you start having that off day be for keyboarding. So for third grade, it's the week of September 21st. One day I'll be in the library. Your second day is keyboarding in your own room. Fourth grade is starting with the week of August 31st. One day in the library, one day in your classroom, and then fifth grade with keyboarding is starting the week of September 14th. So hopefully that helps clarify those questions. And Rhonda and I are going to try a few different things to have kids spaced out in the library and to kind of keep them hopefully a little bit more occupied during checkout time. But please don't hesitate to reach out and ask me any questions. I'm really looking forward to this year and hope things can go smoothly for us.